production of food releases greenhouse gases. If one were going to eat plant material in one's diet, this needs to be farmed, which may require gasoline for farm equipment. There is the production and transport of fertilizer. There is the harvesting and transport. All of this would release fossil fuels. If one were to eat animal sources of protein, then once again there is fossil fuel use to maintain these animals, to transport their feed, to remove their manure, to refrigerate the meat, which then is transported throughout the country. There may be the loss of forest, which is then converted into pasture or cropland. And so thus greenhouse gases will be released with food production. That being said, there are variations in the contributions of different diets in the greenhouse gases which are produced. So in this example, which measured variations within a single country, the United Kingdom, in the kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalents, those with high meat diets had the greatest carbon dioxide production. Those who ate less meat in their diet and were vegetarians or vegan, they had the least. And so one can cut the relative amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases produced from eating less meat in one's diet. There are other variables which become evident when one compares diets in different regions of the world. For example, meat may have to be transported greater distances, or forests may need to be cut down for cropland or pasture. And so the meat diet in the United States produces a far greater amount of greenhouse gas emissions than a high meat diet in the United Kingdom. In the same way, a vegetarian in Germany emits more greenhouse gases because of their diet than a vegetarian in India. But once again, one can significantly cut the carbon footprint of one's diet by eating less meat.